I've been watching the Tickety Talk, and I keep hearing about these Cool Whip cookies. I must try them. It's so easy, very few ingredients. You need a box of cake mix, any type of cake mix. I'm using this one, Oreo Funfetti cake mix. Put it in the bowl. Next, you need your Cool Whip, thawed. Bwah, bwah. I got generic. Put that in the bowl on top. And an egg. That's the last ingredient. Add it and then mix it until combined. I'm gonna add some food coloring as well so you can see the fun effect that the cookies have with the powdered sugar that's coming up. So it's very sticky. I'm gonna be taking a scoop and dropping it in some powdered sugar and rolling it around in there and putting it on a pan. Wow, these sure look unique. I'm just gonna bake them in an oven, 350 degrees, for about 12 minutes. There they are. They look so fun. I love that crackled look. I'm gonna let them sit on the tray for a couple minutes and then I'm gonna move them to the cooling rack. It's Cool Whip time, baby. Let's try it. Soft, flavorful, delicious. I've seen this done using like strawberry cake mix and lemon cake mix. Those would be so good too. Make your Cool Whip cookies now. I invested all my money in a whipped cream factory. People told me not to. They said it was a huge risk.